It was supposed to be a simple morning segment on a popular daytime talk show, a panel discussion about justice and equality in America. Among the guests was a composed, middle-aged man in a tailored gray suit, quietly seated at the far end of the stage. His name was Michael Owens, though few watching knew he was one of the youngest federal judges in the state and the first black man to hold that position. Across from him sat Officer Karen Doyle, a confident, outspoken policewoman known for her blunt opinions and fiery temper. The show began with polite exchanges, but tension rose quickly when the topic shifted to police accountability. "You people always think the system is against you," Karen snapped, rolling her eyes. "Maybe follow the law for once, and you wouldn't have problems." The audience gasped. Michael stayed calm, replying softly, "Respect works both ways, officer. Justice isn't about color, it's about character." Her face tightened. "Don't lecture me," she barked. "You're not a judge." Here, the irony of her words made a few in the audience chuckle. But before anyone could intervene, Karen stood up, pointing her finger at him. When Michael calmly said, "Actually, I am a judge," she smirked mockingly and, in a moment of misplaced bravado, slapped the folder from his hands, her palm grazing his cheek. The audience went silent. Cameras caught everything. The host froze in shock. Michael didn't move. He simply straightened his papers, adjusted his tie, and said firmly, "You just assaulted a federal judge, Officer Doyle." On live television, the color drained from her face instantly. The host stammered, "Wait, why, you're serious?" Michael nodded, producing his judicial badge from his inner pocket. "I was invited here not just as a guest, but as a representative of the justice system you claim to protect." The audience erupted, some in disbelief, others in outrage. Within minutes, network producers rushed onto the stage, whispering frantically. Karen's confident smirk had completely vanished. Tears welled in her eyes as security escorted her backstage. Later that day, the footage went viral, gathering millions of views within hours. The department announced an immediate suspension pending investigation. Meanwhile, Judge Owens released a short statement. "Respect and restraint are the foundation of justice. Even when provoked, we must never forget who we serve." His calm composure became a symbol of dignity and strength. As for Officer Doyle, she learned the hard way that rank, race, or arrogance mean nothing when truth and respect stand in judgment.